Hi, my name's Cody, and today I am building a floating deck. The floating deck is going to have a metal outdoor storage building. This storage building is going to hold a lot of my outdoor lawn and power equipment, as well as the excess feed for my chickens. Well, I wanted a short run from storage to the place where this stuff is actually gonna go. I'm already in the middle of the project. What you can see is some block piers, some string line, and some 2x8. Now I'm really bad at content making, so of course I didn't film or even take any photos. If I do, if I have taken a photo, I'll cut one. But basically, I took a laser level and I set my four corners, these four stanchions, with a laser level. I flattened them out, and after flattening them out, making sure all four corners were level, I was able to run string line and square everything off, which I think is a video unto itself. Properly plan a footer and execute it. So for the purpose of this video, we're just going to start with the footer already in place, and we're going to build up our decking off of that. The footprint is 10 foot by 10 foot with a little angle at the end for kind of leeway to walk through this area. You can see it illustrated by this green line. The storage building itself is it's 10 feet wide and 7 foot deep. So it gives me a 3 foot decking space on the front. So I'm going to utilize the decking space for plants or staging, stuff for the chickens, maybe cutting wood. The idea is for it to look aesthetically pleasing and functional at the same time. Don't know where to go to next, but I guess thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy the video. Excuse the poor lighting conditions, but we're in the shade here. But we'll work on it. We'll figure it out. We'll give you a good vantage point to work from. And yeah, let's see what happens. A lot of things. Chickens are talking. A lot of things. I play by ear. I come out with a general idea of what I want to do, and I have a general idea of how I'm going to execute it. In this instance, I actually 3D modeled the concept of this area, which helped me in figuring out how much wood I need to order, how to lay out my footing, you name it, everything that's kind of pertinent to the build itself. I don't know what else to go over, so I guess we'll cut to me building. So yeah, how about that? Well, I blew up a power strip. Pulling 20 amps from the saw, I guess. Oh well.
So it's been raining for 2 days. Now, just can't work outside. So I've been working with the chickens, doing stuff inside, and quite frankly relaxing. No video. It's supposed to rain again tomorrow, so we'll just see what happens.
Get some chicken footage here. Uh-oh. Y'all gonna come out? Hey Doris. Wanna be on camera? Yeah. Huh? Y'all wanna be on the camera? What you doing? What you doing? Hey Blue. Hi. Hi. What's your name? A lot of you don't even have a name, do you? Bok bok. Bok bok. Balk, balk, balk. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do.